Hey everyone, Gary V here. Today we're talking about AI stories on YouTube, the future of content creation. These channels use artificial intelligence to create amazing stories. It's like magic, but with computers. Why are AI story channels so cool? They're unique and engaging. People love new things, and AI stories are fresh and exciting. Plus, starting an AI channel is easier than you think. You don't need to be a writer or a tech genius. With the right tools and a bit of hustle, anyone can do it. So are you ready to crush it on YouTube with AI? Let's go. Before you start creating, you need a niche. What kind of stories will your channel tell? Think about your passions and what you enjoy. Do you love sci-fi? Create stories about robots and aliens. Are you a history buff? Make stories about historical figures. The possibilities are endless. Remember, your niche should be something you're passionate about. This will make creating content more fun and engaging for you and your viewers. Now let's talk about AI tools. These are your secret weapons for creating incredible stories. There are AI tools for everything. Story generation tools can help you come up with story ideas, write scripts, and even generate entire stories. Don't want to use your own voice? No problem. AI voiceover tools can create realistic and engaging voices for your characters. From animation to live action, AI tools can help you create stunning visuals for your stories. Don't be afraid to experiment with different tools and find what works best for you. Remember, AI is your friend. So, you've created some awesome AI stories. Now, it's time to get them seen. Here's how to grow your channel and make money. Optimize your videos by using relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags so people can find your content. Share your videos on social media, engage with your viewers, and collaborate with other creators to promote your channel. Once you have a decent following, you can start making money from your channel through ads, sponsorships, and even selling merchandise. Remember, consistency is key. Keep creating amazing content and your channel will grow. So what are you waiting for? Start your AI Stories channel today and unleash your creativity. You got this.